Hey guys, and welcome back to another helpful video of 1 2 Step, and in this video I'm going to show you how to post on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to post into your Pinterest, you just simply have to open your Pinterest application and log into your account from which you want to post. After going into the application, you will see this create button at the bottom side. Just simply tap into that create button and then it will give you the option of pin and board. You just simply have to choose this pin option in order to post the images from your gallery to the Pinterest. Just simply select the image that you want to post and then this next button will appear into the top right. Just simply click into this next button, then these options will appear. Now you can title the image or video that you want to upload, and then you can also enter a suitable description, mention or hashtag to your pin into this description section, and you can promote your link by adding the link into this space. And after doing all this, you can choose other pick a board and tag topics option, and then you just simply have to tap into this create button at the bottom right. Then after doing this very easy steps, your pin will successfully be published. You can view it very simply. By following this very easy step, you can also post on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.